Hi there and welcome. It's just a fly-in visit, just to give a quick flip through of this new kit. It's already in my Patreon shop, and it probably might be in Etsy by the time this video goes live. If not, it'll be, coming up shortly. So it's called, what is it called? Summer Garden. It's a 35-page kit, and if you are a member of Patreon, you get extra pages. So I'll show you the ones that are on Patreon first. So it's a 40-page kit in Patreon. If you see the difference in colour as well, I've printed that on cream, I've printed that on white, so it actually looks like two totally different kits to me. So you've got a quite grungy and then a quite bright. So that's the 4th extra sheet on Patreon, and that's the 5th extra sheet. Okay, so that would be part of the 40 pages. Now these are actual just freebies on Patreon. So there's these which can be used as half pages, or you can tear around for the fussy cuts. And another one. In fact, I've just made a boo-boo. Those two are actual freebies. So it's those what are freebies, okay, and this one and this one, and those 3 are the extra sheets that you get if you purchase the kit on Patreon. Okay, so that's those. Right, so this is the kit that will be on Etsy. So we've got an envelope, and then some matching like stationery paper to go in it. Love these. I've been putting them in a couple of kits just lately. We've got 3 pockets and a little label. And lots of little pockets, all in blues and a cream. Got this like window pocket, which is the wrong way round, and there's a little diagram here to show how you can fit it together. Obviously you don't have to use it in that way. I've printed this on paper for some strange reason. We've got a sheet of mini tags, some library cards, and some labelly type things. Page of tickets. Obviously if you print these 2 to a page, you've got totally, different sizes and then different uses for them. Page of little labels and tags and embellishment type pieces. It's not too long. Some fussy cut birds. I like doing the fussy cuts and things on these darker backgrounds because I just think you can tear around them, and your cutting doesn't have to be so perfect, because the brown kind of is more forgiving. So I've got some birds and flowers and this little bird house. And then a page of butterflies in blues and yellows. You can obviously by now tell what colours I like doing in kits. Very similar to the the colours that I like using. Love those. These are more to tear around, not to obviously fussy cut around those. These are some like hanging flowers. I really love these. I thought that there could be some kind of flip up. I've left a little bit of gap across the top in case you wanted to do it as a flip up, or at the side as a flip out. I just thought that would be a fun play. Then we've got some actual fussy cut flowers. Got these lovely doilies. If you saw when I did the summer days, I made some circles into like pockets, so you can obviously, you know, that could be a tag, that could be the pocket. You'd have to print that off twice and then cut it in half and stick that half on, so you'd have a little pocket. Again, just a suggestion. Okay, then we've got some other pages in big. Again, these could be torn around, or you can obviously use them as pages. I think I prefer this kit on the white. I'm liking the more fresher look with it. Okay, and we've got a couple of backgrounds. I love this one. Some plainer backgrounds. There's text and, you know, aging on that. And then this is like a linen. Just a music page. Then a lined page with like dots on it. So good for backing things. Some lovely birds. You can obviously use as sheets in your journal, or to make a ephemera, or obviously you can cut them out. These are the journal pages. Got lines on this side and then that lace running through the middle. So you get a little bit of lace on the side. Love that page. Obviously my printer doesn't do borderless. Yeah, really fresh. Some more journal pages. Done like some layering, like collage. Okay. I do like them with that lace at the side. That looks very similar picture, but it isn't. Okay. And that one. And the last one. So, like I say, the kit's 35 pages on Etsy. If you buy it from the Patreon shop, it's a little bit cheaper, and it's 40 pages. And if you're a member of Patreon, a paid member of Patreon, there's freebies for this kit on there as well. There's lots of freebies on there. I think there's about 3 years worth of freebies now. So that is that kit. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you like it, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.